Hi Real Simple friends, I'm Anna Kanat and I'm the assistant beauty editor at Real Simple magazine, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do mask proof makeup. So I don't have my makeup on yet. I'm gonna apply it step by step with you guys so you guys can see what I do to make sure my makeup stays on my face. The first step is to use a primer. A primer helps give the skin something that your makeup can grip onto so it stays on your face and lasts the whole day. Now, for those of you that are like, it feels like an extra step, something that I like to do to save a little time is I like to use a sunscreen / primer type hybrid. So this one is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Remember, SPF 30 or higher. But the great thing about it is that it's clear, so it works for all skin tones, and it kind of comes out with this silicone-y base that's great for setting the stage for the rest of your makeup. And like I said, there's no white marks, no extra cast from an SPF. So you get your sun protection and then you also get all of those long wear benefits. My next tip is to look for matte and long wear formulas. So don't get me wrong, I love a dewy, glossy look as much as the next girl, but the fact is, especially when wearing these things, those formulas tend to slip and slide so much easier. So I just apply my concealer to the spaces you want to apply it. And then for a foundation, I am using the new Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Foundation. It comes in this nice little stick. Now that I've got those blended out, the same goes for your bronzer, your blush. Look for products that say long wear that are formulated to last throughout the day. So I really love Fresh Beauty Cheek Slime, and then I'm using a tried and true NARS bronzer in Laguna Matte. So like I said, it doesn't have to be these exact products, but these are things that I've used that I've had success with, and so feel free to use something from your favorite brands as well. Get this right under the cheekbone, and this is definitely an area that I feel like my mask always rubs up against. And then for the blush, this is a liquid and you really do not need that much. I'm just going to do a little dab. So I just dot a little on the apple of my cheek, and I'll dot a little here. And then just kind of dab it in until you get that kind of natural flush. Now the last step in choosing a long wear product is your lips. And I don't know about you guys, but I really miss wearing lip glosses, lipsticks, lip color every day. I feel like it just kind of finishes off your makeup look. And under a mask, it's really hard to do so. So like I said, make sure you're looking for a matte formula. Look for something that says long wear. My absolute favorite is the Maybelline Superstay Lip Ink. This thing lasts for forever. It doesn't leave any residue on here. Seriously, I love it so much. I can't say enough good things about it. It really does give you a super long lasting color. So now that we've got the part of your face that's covered by the mask all set, I'm gonna quick do my eyes, and then we're gonna finish off with 2 finishing touches, and then we'll be good to go. These last 2 steps are gonna focus on sealing and locking everything in so that when you're wearing the mask, everything doesn't come right off. And step 3 is using a powder. This is the one that I have. It is the Laura Mercier. I believe now it comes in a few more shades. But what's great about this is because it is translucent, you really can go on every skin tone. So I just dab a little on my brush and then tap the excess off in the cap. Maybe pick up a little bit more. And then applying this is super easy. You just brush it on all over. And I'll be honest, I truly didn't really use a powder before this just because I never wanted my makeup to look cakey or overdone. But this powder is so amazing because it's super fine and it really just blurs everything out and almost makes it look like you have this kind of filter on as you're walking through the day. But more importantly, it sets everything and keeps everything super locked in so that your makeup isn't slipping and sliding and going onto your mask. Okay, so we've made it to step 4. So this is the final step. Thanks you guys for bearing with me this whole time, but it's simply just adding a setting spray. So this is just gonna take 2 seconds. You just give it a warm-up spritz so that you're not getting attacked in the face by some spray. And don't be afraid to maybe give yourself a little extra if you feel like you need it. But just like the powder, this really helps lock in your look and keeps your makeup on your face all day. So you're not looking in the mirror at noon or 1 p.m. and being like, oh, great, now I have to redo everything. So like I said, it's super simple. Give it a second to dry before you put your mask on, and then you should be good to go. So I just gave you all of these different things to do to add to your routine to keep your makeup on your face and keep everything where it's supposed to be instead of on here. So let's see if all of this works, shall we? I have a few errands to run. I'm gonna put my mask on, and when I come back, I'll take it off and let you guys see if there's any marks. Just giving you guys a quick look. I got my groceries, it's my bag, and we're headed back and we're gonna see how these tips helped keep my makeup on my face. Okay everybody, I'm back, and now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's check out how all of these tips held up under the mask. Oh wow, oh my goodness, look at it. I've used these things before. I was confident it was gonna work, but it's great to see it work in the flesh. As you can see, not a stain to be had, not a mark to be had. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that these tips were helpful. I hope that you can use them and you have the exact same results. As always, click the follow button if you're not following us already. Like and comment more ideas for videos, anything that you would like to see, and have a great rest of your day.